Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Mrs. SD from LPM Public School. In this video I will tell you about chapter 2, that is Tenali meets Babar. In this video we will do the book exercise of this chapter. In my previous video I have explained the story of the chapters and also the question answers with the word meaning. So in this video we will do the book exercise. So let's see the book's exercise of this chapter. Here is the exercise, that is question A. Read the sentences and answer this question. This we have done already, and I have given in my second video the question answers of question A and also the B. So let's see the rest of the exercises of this chapter. Here is question number D. From D we will do here. The question is filling the blanks with the word from the box. Here in the box the words are given and we have to fill the correct word in the blank, and which I have already done. So let's see once. Tenali Raman was famous for his intelligence. This I have chosen from the box, the word intelligence. As you know, he is a very famous person and he is famous for his intelligence. So the number 2, that the princess said to the shepherd, if you bring me the shining flower, I will. The correct word in the blank is reward you with 5 bags of gold. So here the word reward will be correct. Here in the box, this is the beginning word. The third is, it was a great triumph for Australian when they lifted the Cricket World Cup in 2015. Number 4 is, Aprupa has not yet returned my book. Every time I ask her, she has an excuse. Number 5, Suniti is a successful and famous actor, but she is as humble as ever. Last, that is question number 6. Amman was disguised as a policeman in the school concert. So this is the question number D. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's see question number E, that is the word in the capital are from the story. Circle the correct antonyms each word for each word. It means we have to circle the opposite word of this given word. First, that is amiss, and the correct opposite of this is clear. Second, attack. Opposite is defend. Third, honor. That is insult. Witty. The opposite is stupid. Gain. Opposite is loss. Rich, antonym is needy. Number 7, that is defeated. Defeat is given and the opposite is triumph. Humble and the opposite is arrogant. Rewarded, opposite is punished. Admire and the opposite is dislike. Amusing, the opposite is boring. Pleased, and its opposite is annoyed. So I think it is clear to you. So fill your book from the video. It is clear to all of you. Now let's see question number F, that is, it is related to punctuation. The question is, rewrite this paragraph in your notebook with full stop, question mark, exclamation mark and capital. I have done here in the book itself. But you write the same paragraph in your copies, that is in your classwork copy. First here, the beginning Tenali, it is a name, as we know that it is a proper noun, and the beginning of the proper noun is always be capital, but it is given as a small, so we have to write is capital. Tenali, and the second name is Krishna, Ramakrishna. So R will be capital here and T will be capital here. So Tenali T will be capital, Ramakrishnan R is capital. Popularly known as Tenali Raman. Again here small t is given, we have to write it is capital, and Raman R will be also in capital. So it will be Tenali Ramakrishnan, popularly known as Tenali Raman, was a court poet of Krishnadev Raya. Here Krishnadev Raya K is given small and we have to write it in capital form. Of Vijayanagar. Vijayanagar is also a name of a place and it is a proper noun, so the beginning of Vijayanagar V will be capital. And then we have to stop, here stop is given. So again when the new sentence begin after the stop, the starting word is capital, so he, H will be capital here. He was known as for his wit and poetry. Again stop will be put here, and again the new sentence, so the T will be capital. Tenali was carefree child. Again stop will be there, and new word, that is new sentence is begin from here. So one day, O will be capital. One day he met hermit who advised him to pray the goddess, that is Kali. K will be capital here, it is a proper noun, and there will be comma. The goddess appear with the thousands faces and looked referred. There will be stop mark, and then again T will be capital here. Tenali burst into laughter. How can you help me? Here there is a question mark in between the quotation. There is a question. So how can you laugh at me? This will be the question mark here. Asks Kali angrily. Again K will be capital, and angrily at the ending there will be full stop. Oh mother, forgive me. Here after forgive me there will be comma. Said Tenali, T will be capital. But how you know wipe thousands noses when you have cold? And there will be question mark, and the next sentence is begin from here, so the T will be capital here. The boys sense humans place Kali, goddess Kali. So again K will be capital here, and there will be full stop at the ending of the sentence, it will be full stop here. And the last line, that is, you will be great jester and make people laugh. She blessed him. So there is a full stop at the ending. It is punctuation of this paragraph. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's see the next question. Here is the next question, that is related to grammar fun, and the question is match the subject with the correct predicate to make the complete sentence. I have already done. Let's see. The first question, the young one of lion, what we call it, is called a cub. So number first will match with option number D in second column, that is the young one of a lion is called cub. Now let's see question number 2, that is a pair of pigeon has made a nest on the window legs. So this is the question number 2, which will match with number E. A pair of pigeons has made a nest on the window ledge. Number 3, Tamil. Tamil is one of the oldest languages in the world. So number 3 will match with option number A. Now the option 4, that is our telephone has no dial tone. Has no dial tone again. So number 4, that is 4 is matched with number C. The last, that is mountaineers required a lot of training and experience. So this question number 5th match with option B. So these are the match of the following: 1 match with D, 2nd match with E, 3rd match with A, 4 match with C, and the 5th match with B. So this is the correct combination of subject with the predicate to make a complete sense. Now let's see the last, that is question number H. Here what we have to do is circle the subject and underline the predicate in each of the sentence. As you know, subject is the part of a sentence in which we say something about a person or thing, and predicate is a part of sentence in which we say something about the subject. So here Tilani Raman is a subject, so we have to circle it and arrive at the Babur Court as a predicate part. In sentence number 2, the old man is a subject part, so we have circled it, and accepted the bag of the gold from the king is a predicate part, so it will be underlined. Question number 3, Himalaya Monal is a subject part, so circle it, and is the state bird of Uttarakhand. So it is predicate part, so we have to underline it. Number 4, Kokila is a name of a person, and here it is a subject in the sentence. Is a best place bowler of our team. So from each to last is a predicate part of the sentence. Next, that is others and his mother. This is subject part. Love working in the garden is a predicate part. I hope it is clear to you. Here 5 sentences are given. We have circled the subject part of these sentences, all the sentences, and we have underlined the predicate part of the sentences. Tenali Raman is a name of a person, and in this sentence it is a subject part, and other arrive at the Babur Court as a predicate part. In the same way, question number 2, the old man, here we are talking about the old man, so it is a subject part of the sentence, and accepted the bag of gold coin as a predicate part. In 3rd, Himalaya Monal is a name of a bird, so it is a subject in this sentence, and is state bird of Uttarakhand. It's tell about the subject, so it is a predicate part of the sentence. In the 4th, in the same way, Kokila is a name of a person, so it is a subject part of the sentence. Is a place bowler of our team as a predicate part. And the last, others and his mother is a subject. Love walking in the garden is a predicate part. Here is a listening work is given, and the pictures are given. The question is question number I, that is your teacher will read about some description. Listen carefully and write the name of the children below in correct photograph. So it is a listening work, communication skill, which we can do. So I have just given the photos here. You just write in your book. The first, the boy who is interested in typing, that is Kunal. Second, the boy who loves playing with the ducks, that is Naman. And girl who loves riding cycle, that is Hina. And the boy who loved playing football is Jahid. Alicia liked math and Mukul liked study. So these were the exercises of your book which we have done in this video. I hope it is clear to all of you. Children, stay home and stay safe. Goodbye.